PVC profile manufacturer delivers the sealed and packaged profiles to its dealers. Later on, dealer cuts the sealed profiles once again regarding demanded window and doors. Then, latch and water discharge openings are opened on the sealed profiles in order to transfer to the welding machine. After the sealed profiles are welded, corners of the PVC frame are cut and cleaned with a blade without giving any damage to the seal. There is no need for an extra welding or cutting process for the central profiles. We invite you to experience the comfort of CNT Contalı.